Today, I'll walk you through how to create data tables in Elementor, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to add and customize a data table so you can enhance your website's functionality and presentation. Before we dive in, make sure you have the code for the table you want to add. This is crucial for the next steps. Having your content ready will streamline the process. First, choose the page where you want to add the data table and click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor interface where all the magic happens. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionalities remain the same. Now let's get started. In the Elementor search box, type Text Editor. This is where we'll be inserting our table code. Once you find it, click on the Text Editor widget to add it to your page. This widget allows you to input HTML code directly. Next, click on the Code tab within the text editor. This is where you can paste your table code. Simply take the code you prepared earlier and insert it here. This step is essential for displaying your table correctly. Once you've pasted the code, it's time to modify the table to fit your style. Click on the Style tab to change the appearance of your table. You can adjust the alignment, colors, and other modifications to ensure it matches your website's theme. Think of this as decorating a room to make it feel more like home. After making your adjustments, preview the changes to see how your data table looks on the page. This is a great opportunity to ensure everything appears as you envisioned. If you need to make further tweaks, feel free to go back and adjust the settings until you're satisfied. And there you have it. You've successfully created a data table in Elementor. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different styles and settings. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.